What if millions of office jobs simply stopped needing people? Emails written instantly, reports generated in seconds, meetings summarized automatically. At first, it sounds efficient, but when entire industries begin replacing human work with AI, the effects could spread far beyond offices. So what actually happens if AI replaces most office jobs? Right now, AI is already changing how people work. Companies use AI tools to write documents, analyze data, answer customer questions, create presentations, automate repetitive tasks. Jobs that once took hours can now be completed in minutes. And every year, these systems become faster, cheaper, and more capable. But today, AI mostly assists workers. The real question is, what happens when it starts replacing them instead? Trigger event. Now imagine a major shift. AI systems become advanced enough to handle most routine office work reliably. Businesses begin realizing fewer employees reduce costs. AI works 24/7, automation increases speed. So companies start replacing large sections of office staff. Not one industry, not one country, but across the global economy. And that's when the chain reaction begins. Entry-level jobs disappear. The first jobs affected are repetitive office roles, data entry, basic customer support, scheduling, administrative work. Tasks that follow patterns become easy to automate. And for many young workers, the traditional first step into office careers starts disappearing. Companies restructure. Businesses begin operating differently. Smaller teams produce more work. Departments shrink. Some companies become highly efficient, but fewer people are needed to keep operations running. At first, profits may rise, but employment starts falling. Social shift. Education systems begin changing. People rush toward jobs that AI struggles to replace. Skilled trades, human interaction roles, creative leadership positions. At the same time, governments face pressure to adapt labor systems, training programs, and economic policies. Society begins reorganizing around a new type of work. New industries emerge, but disruption also creates opportunity. New industries appear around: AI management, human-AI collaboration, specialized creative work, advanced technical services. Some jobs disappear, others evolve, and entirely new roles emerge. Technology has replaced jobs before, but AI is different because it targets not just physical labor, but mental work too. And if AI eventually replaces most office jobs, the biggest question won't just be which jobs disappear. It may be, what does work look like in the future?